Hi, in today's video we're going to look at the available gauge ranges on the S-100 units. So for an S128 we have three gauge ranges of 400 microns, 100 microns and 10 microns. And on an S116 unit we have three gauge ranges again of 200 microns, 100 microns and 10 microns. For the majority of applications, the 100 micron gauge range is appropriate. On an S128 unit, this has a noise floor of 100 nanometers and a resolution of 10 nanometers. However, if you wish to measure smoother parts, you may want to use the 10 micron range, where you'll get an improved resolution of 5 nanometers and a lower noise floor of just 50 nanometers. Similarly, if you're measuring particularly rough parts, you may wish to use the higher gauge range, which on an S128 unit would be the 400 micron range. To change range, simply press the gauge range icon and select the range appropriate for your measurement. If you are receiving over range errors, it may be appropriate to enter the higher gauge range.